Hey, we're gonna take a look at a DARKROCK EC2 computer I just took out of the box. So here's the info on it. EC2 specs. It'll be linked in the description below if you want to see. I got it on Amazon around $50. Not really sure yet. Cooler length, max, info on that. Nothing else really on the box. Yeah, nothing else really on the box. So yeah, let's take a look at it. This is a really weird design. I've never seen one like this. So let's take a look at the front. Just mesh. It doesn't look like there's a fan mesh. Looks like there's only this. So you can only clean this. It's gonna be a little annoying. And the top. Let's take a look at the top. Top, like there is one mesh. And then you can install two fans. I don't even know how you install one on this. What is this? Oh, that's for like the water GPU. The water GPU or CPU, depends on what you want to use. And then power maybe resets. USB 2, USB 3, and USB C. That's blue, not blue. And there's the mesh. Magnetized. Let's look at the other side panel. Nothing on there. There's a side. The side is pretty cool. So to open it, it's magnetized. And it looks like here is all steel. And then there's magnets here or here. And then, so yeah, then to take it off, you slide it up. And then voila, that's how you take it off. Let's put that over here. So it doesn't bust or anything. And then here's the insides. Let's take a look at the back first. Back comes with one fan, plus metal gate to protect your fingers. Looks like it is blowing this way. And then here's the motherboard rack, and then it does have hand screws on the side. And then there's no hand screws on this, so can you even take this off? You can take it off and stick your own on, but I don't know where you'd get it, so yeah. Let's take a look at the inside. Let's see. I/O ports, back. We're gonna have to open the back. 3 fans. Okay. Motherboard. Micro. And then looks like the ATX. And then what'd you put here? Is that SSD? Oh yeah, that is SSD side. SSD goes there. And then power over there. Let's take a look at the back. Unscrew it. Slide it off. Oh, there's instructions. There's one in if those are somewhere. Yeah, it's a little flimsy. And here's instructions. That comes off, that comes off, that comes off. Front does come off. I don't know, however easy, but that's how you install the fans. And then PSU, roof panel, PSU, ITX, ATX, and then ATX. And then let's see, liquid cooled if you want for the top mount. The bottom looks like you can install fans on the power supply part. 2 SSDs, and then graphics card, and then power reset, and then there's info, and then motherboard panels, USB, audio, USB 2, and Type 2. So let's see, that's on that. Let's take a look at the back. Here's the ports. Cables for that. Looks like, let's see. Here's the screw mounts. What are long ones for? Oh, long ones for graphics cards and stuff. And then looks like there's more screws and that. And then let's see, power supply. Ooh, that's gonna be tight. Depends where the cable comes out. And then hard drive. Looks like the bottom. Let's take a look at the bottom. The bottom has a wired mesh that you have to push around to get out. These are a little hard to get out. So push it around to pull it out. So yeah. Then push it around to get it back in. And then it looks like a hard drive mounts right here to unscrew that and then slide it off. It does look like you could put one on top and one on bottom. Old hard drive mounts, the 3.5s. So yeah, I'm gonna build this one. Let's see how it works. So yeah, that's it. Like and subscribe. There'll be links in the description below on how to get this and where to get this. And then, thanks for watching. See you guys.